Hello guys, so in this tutorial we're interested in lighting up an LED based on the state of a light dependent resistor. So basically when it is dark you want the LED to come on, and when it's bright you want the LED to go off. So first of all we assign the LED to A0 and we define another variable, the light dependent resistor LDR, and assign it to pin number 2. Then we have another integer, the ninth variable. This variable will be used as a flag, so you can basically define it as a bool if you want. So we are aware that the setup runs only once and your loop runs forever. So in the setup we can initialize the pins that we have defined. So we have the LED connected to A0 and we assign A0 as output, or the LED variable as output in the setup. And obviously you want your LED to be LDR to be an input, because you will be reading the state of the lights surrounding it. First of all, we want to give a definite state for the LED, so we set the LED to high. So when you press reset, you want your LED to be on for the first time. So let's see what is happening in the loop function. So in the loop function, we read the value of the LDR, or the light dependent resistor, and it's connected to pin 2, so we can use digital read it as a digital value and assign it to the ninth variable. So basically what it is that the LDR gives a state 0 when the light surrounding it is bright, and it gives a state 1 when the light surrounding it is dark. So basically when you cover the LDR, you want your ninth variable to be assigned to 1. So based on the state of the LDR, we pass that state to the LED. So in this particular case, when it's dark, you're gonna have a 1 from the light dependent resistor, and if you pass a 1 on here, it's the same as doing a digital write 1, so the LED will come on in this particular case. Then when it is dark, the ninth value will be 0, so it's the same as writing digital write LED low. So in that case the LED should go off. So you can just compile it and afterwards upload it to the board, and you should see, if you cover the LDR, the light should come on, the LED should come on, and if you release it, the LED should go off.